A moment of hope for the United States. Shipments of the Pfizer vaccine are going out across the country, setting into motion the largest vaccination effort in American history. D-Day, or Distribution Day, is here. Good evening. I'm Emily Hallwick. This morning, trucks loaded with COVID-19 vaccines pulled out of Pfizer's Michigan manufacturing facility and headed to FedEx and UPS hubs for distribution. Federal officials say the first shipments of the vaccine will be staggered, arriving in 145 distribution centers Monday. Another 425 sites will get shipments Tuesday, and the remaining 66 will get them on Wednesday. With today's vaccine shipment now in transit, Pfizer has begun preparations to ship out hundreds more boxes of the vaccine on Monday. There are nearly 1,000 vials per box, and each vial provides 5 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. ABC's Zohreen Shah has a look at the historic week ahead.
Distribution of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine has begun. The first shipments leaving Pfizer's manufacturing facility in Kalamazoo, Michigan.
Today has been the most extraordinary experience of my career. This vaccine today gives us the promise and the light at the end of that tunnel.
The vaccine will be paired with kits containing syringes, alcohol swabs, a solution to dilute the vaccine, safety gear, and vaccine reminder cards. These deliveries cannot come soon enough for overburdened healthcare systems. Nationwide, more than 108,000 Americans now being treated for the virus in the hospital, a 10% increase since December 1st. Healthcare workers will be among the first people vaccinated.
So we're going to have a priority to the individuals that have been caring for COVID-19 on the front lines.
Memorial Hermann Healthcare Center in Houston has been preparing for their ultra-cold freezers and practicing administering the vaccine. But recent polls have found between 25 and 40% of Americans are not willing to be vaccinated.
We need to address their fears and concerns. We need to roll this out in a way that provides confidence to people, but we also need to be transparent.
Health officials say it could take several months to get everyone vaccinated and urge Americans to continue wearing masks and practice social distancing. Zohreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.
For weeks, both Kansas and Missouri have had plans in place for vaccine distribution. In Missouri, the state's top doctor, Dr. Randall Williams, says that people will start getting the vaccine on Thursday. The first shots will be healthcare workers caring for COVID patients. The state then plans to vaccinate long-term care residents through partnerships with CVS and Walgreens, mainly with Moderna's vaccine. And on the other side of the state line, Governor Laura Kelly expects Kansas to get shipments of the vaccine early this week. We, of course, know that the vaccine doses will be stored in ultra cold storage freezers. You're seeing video of some of those locations right now in Kansas. Governor Kelly expects to get 150,000 doses by the end of the month. Kansas Senator Jerry Moran says that he has mixed emotions about the coronavirus vaccine. He's excited about the FDA approval, but he says people need to actually get the vaccine so that lives can get back to normal. A Gallup poll found that 63% of Americans would get vaccinated if it were available for free.
It's a day that Kansans, Americans have been waiting for. I suppose it is, perhaps the beginning of the end, but it is also a reminder that we are not, anyways, as your statistics demonstrate, and the lies behind those statistics demonstrate, we're not any place close to being over with COVID.
Senator Moran says that he will get vaccinated once it's available to him. We know the federal government has also bought another 100 million doses of Moderna's vaccine candidate. That doubles the U.S. supply to 200 million total doses. The FDA will consider approving that version on Thursday. Kansas City's VA Medical Center is preparing for vaccine distribution. It's been identified as a Moderna vaccine deployment site. If the vaccine is approved, the VA will start distributing it to its healthcare workers and high-risk veterans. The VA says the vaccine won't be mandatory for employees, but it is highly encouraged. The Mid-America Regional Council says right now 74 out of every 1,000 people have the virus in Wyandotte County, Kansas City, Kansas. That number is 52 per 1,000 people in Kansas City, Missouri, and 51 in Jackson County, Missouri, and Leavenworth County, Kansas.